Hi, it's Linda Canase with iCrafter, and I'm excited to share with you our March lineup of dies. It's a brand new upper and lowercase alphabet. There are some dimensional pieces, an add-on to our box pop line, which is so popular. So let's take a look. And I'm going to start with an absolute favorite of mine. This is the new add-on for our box pops. These are flowers. It does require that you purchase the oval base separately, but take a look at what you get with this. There are these thin, delicate flowers that are just so pretty. There's so many things you could do with them. They could be used individually on a card as well, but they also work with the box pops. So with the simple push, it folds flat and fits inside an A2 envelope. And then with a squeeze and a hook on the side, you again have this dimensional, I guess it's a card. You can turn it into a card, but it's just this gorgeous little piece. I love the sample, and it just folds down flat, fits in an A2 envelope, and comes back up. And again, it does require the purchase of the box pop oval base, but we're still coming out with so many more designs to work with it. There are so many already in our lineup, so check that out. And this is the Box Pop Florals add-on. We have a beautiful font. It's called Alphabet Heather Upper, and this is the uppercase font, and it comes with an ampersand, a hashtag, and an @ symbol as well. And it's just this really pretty script font that is about, I think I said it's about an inch tall. Yes, the letters are about an inch tall approximately. And it's this really pretty graceful font, but it can be used so beautifully on so many different things. And let me show you where we also came out with the alphanumeric Heather lower. This is a Heather alphabet, and this is obviously, it works together with the Heather upper, but it does have a script, the little tail, so that it can end up looking like you have the word as a separate die rather than you're using separate letters. So I don't know if you could see in the word happy where they're all connected together, so it looks like it's one font or one word, but you can spell out endlessly anything you want. So they do work together, and the alphanumeric comes with the lowercase alphabet plus all 10 numbers. So the combination of the two, of the Heather upper and the Heather lower, you can do so many amazingly beautiful things. It's great for memory albums and journals as well as cards. So that's the alphabet Heather upper and the alphanumeric Heather lower. Okay, next we have a lineup of dies for, well, this is the start of them for Slimline. This is called Edges and Borders, and obviously they're designed for the longer length. So you could see this is the border part of it. It creates this really graceful pattern. And you can, of course, cut it down to fit other sizes, but it's just this beautiful pattern. So that, but it comes with, this is an example of all the different edges. This is a border that you saw there, but there's this delicate scalloped edge, this swoosh, and then I also put a notebook edge die in there because it can create so many different things, and I just wanted a large variety. So, and here's an example of the swoosh on the Slimline card. So again, this is the Slimline edges and borders. So many different things you can do with this. Now, third one is something I am having a whole bunch of fun with too. This is the ribbon rosette. Now, it is a little bit different than a standard rosette because if you can see there, it creates this angled edges. So you can create what looks like a real trophy ribbon. But yet in the inside, these words are dropouts. So they're interchangeable. So you can see it says happy birthday, congrats, and best friend. So there's a lot of different variations. It comes with these two tails. And you could just see there's, with the different words, let's see, oh here, happy birthday. You can see what it looks like. But if you add, let me move these aside. If you add some lace and some real ribbon in here, you could create something really creative and do a wonderful card. You can give it on the front of a card where they can detach it, and you know, if it's their birthday, it could be their birthday. They wear it for their birthday, for children. The best friend is really fun. You could do a cute card with that, and scrapbook it afterwards. That would be so much fun. And this is the same thing, but I added real lace around it. So it just gives a totally different look, and you could do endless variations on this. That's what I see this ribbon rosette as being something that you could just have so much fun with. Again, put it on the front of a card, or add it, actually decorate with it. So anyway, that is our March collection from iCrafter. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. That was, again, our March lineup of dies from iCrafter. Please be sure and share on social media using the hashtag iCrafter or iCrafterArt. We love seeing what you make with our product. And thanks for watching.